Hi Bixby, show me how to win a new Samsung phone.
Just use me, Bixby, Samsung's AI assistant.
Samsung is having a photo contest and you can win a new Samsung phone like a Galaxy S20 or up to $1,000 in store credit. All you have to do is show yourself using Bixby, Samsung's AI voice assistant, and tell us your favorite way to use it.
Hi Bixby, send some roses to my girlfriend.
I found some options with roses.
Hi Bixby, track my yoga workout.
Hi Bixby, wake me up tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Got it, the alarm is set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Hi Bixby, I want to go sailing this weekend. What's the weather going to be like?
This week's forecast is for no precipitation throughout the week.
You can post a new way to use Bixby every day to increase your chances of winning. Just head on over to this website now to register and tell us, how do you Bixby?